dear student, I am here to take your today's computer lecture, and we can start and move forward in our first lesson name Internet and Email. Okay? पिछले लेक्चर में हमने लर्न किया था अबाउट व्हाट इज इंटरनेट एंड यूज ऑफ द इंटरनेट. ओके, आज के लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे इंटरनेट टर्मिनोलॉजी. इसमें दो पॉइंट है अबाउट नेटवर्क, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क और वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. www के बारे में हम जानेंगे और सर्च इंजन के बारे में जानेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ we can move forward in our next topic, internet terminology. इसमें first है network. It is a group of computers which are connected to each other for communicating and sharing resources. Lots of computers are connected with each other and establish a network. पिछले लेक्चर में भी मैंने आपको बोला था lots of computers are connected with each other and establish a network for the reason of sharing resources and information. Okay? नेटवर्क की मेनली दो टाइप आपको यहाँ पे बताई गई है, पर मेनली तीन टाइप है और यहाँ आपको आपकी बुक में बताई गई है LAN और WAN. LAN means LAN, LAN means local area network और WAN means wide area network. LAN. Then we first learn about LAN, local area network. Local area network, it is connect computer within one building. Corporate in LAN are usually connected with a cable. LAN में कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट किया जाता है by using a wire और इसको एस्टेब्लिश कहाँ पे किया जाता है? within one building और one organization. अगर हमको बिल्डिंग में नेटवर्क का एस्टेब्लिश करना है तो हम कौन सा टाइप यूज करेंगे? ये LAN वाली. कौन सी वाली? LAN वाली. बिकॉज we want to establish a network within a one building or one organization. At that time this LAN kind of network is used or it is established using a wire. Okay? इसमें सेकेंड टाइप है वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, WAN. WAN, it is WAN is short form and wide area network is full form. So now we can learn about wide area network. It connects computers over a long distance. Computers in a WAN are usually connected by telephone line or a broadband. The internet is a WAN. We all use internet. It is an example of WAN because it is not connected with a wire. It is used by our telephone company. If we can use by a telephone numbers or a telephone company provide an internet. This network is known as wide area network because it is wireless. Okay? Broadband is an example of WAN and internet is also example of WAN because it does not have wire. Okay? World Wide Web. Then our second point is World Wide Web. www का मतलब होता है, क्या होता है? World Wide Web. Its full form World Wide Web. It is a collection of all the websites on the internet. It holds all the websites in it. You all can see when you go for search something or want to search some sites, it will display a www, short form www all the sites of the internet. Okay. Search engine. Now our next topic is search engine. It is a site on the internet with the help of which a user can search for other websites. Search engine is one kind of site. In this we can search anything or any other sites. If we want to buy a cloth, at that time we search about this color or this cloth in a search engine, and it will search engine find a list of that kind of cloth and give you a number of that your according to your need. It will display a number of cloth and number of sites which hold that cloth. Okay. So search engine used to search some your user specific thing. It is used to search a user specific thing. If you want to search about anything, okay? Search engine is used to search about anything you want to search. Okay. Now our next topic is getting connected to the internet. All modern computers and laptops are cable or connecting to the internet. To get connected to the internet, you need a computer running Windows. If you want to work with the internet in your computer, first what you want or what you have, a computer which have some specific system software like Windows. Okay. If you have Windows in your or any other system software in your computer, then you access internet. Okay. An account, second is an account with an internet service provider. Your ISP is a short form. Internet service provider is a full form. ISP. ISP is a short form, full form of Internet Provider. ISP short form. Mark this useful in your question in an exam. An account with an internet service provider. Your ISP is a link between your computer and the internet. If you want to work with internet, you must have ISP, internet service provider, which is used to connect you or user with the internet. Okay. There are three ways of getting connected to the internet. Mainly three ways for getting connected with the internet. First one is a modem. So now we can learn about modem. Modem, you can connect to the internet using a modem. A modem is an electronic device. Modem is an electronic device which is one electronic device which connect your computer to the by cable. Your computer to the some telephone connection and establish a network or provide you a internet. But it is a slow and also it is cheap. Advantage of modem is it is cheap or low cost, but modem does not provide a high speed internet. Disadvantage of modem is it does not provide a high speed internet. You can connect to the internet using a modem. A modem is an electronic device that connects your PC to a telephone line. As I told, connect your PC or computer or laptop to a telephone line to enable you to use the internet. For providing you internet, you can connect your PC or laptop to the telephone line. This is known as a dial-up connection. Though it is cheap, it is very slow. As I told that it is very cheap, or it is very slow. Internet speed is very low. By using modem, you can access internet. Its speed is low. Dial-up connection means, in modem, dial-up connection means you dial a particular number and you connect with a internet. modem में क्या होता है, it is connect with your telephone line, or you can dial that particular number and connect with your internet service. Okay, इसमें दूसरा टॉपिक है और दूसरी टाइप है ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन. मोस्ट फेवरेट ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन, हाई स्पीड ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड a high speed internet. Homes, offices or schools or organized. Most organization use broadband connection for internet access. Okay. The most popular ways is to have your telephone line, also in bracket, also known as a landline, converted to a broadband so that you can use the telephone for a call and for the internet at the same time. modem में क्या होता है, अगर हम modem को यूज करते हैं, modem की टाइप को, तो इसमें हम कॉलिंग फैसिलिटी और इंटरनेट दोनों एक साथ यूज नहीं कर सकते. ब्रॉडबैंड में it will connect you internet to the or access internet through telephone line, but इसमें आप कॉलिंग की फैसिलिटी और इंटरनेट दोनों ही एक साथ एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, जबकि इसमें मॉडेम की टाइप में नहीं कर सकते. ओके, so now the most popular way is to have your telephone line converted to broadband. It will convert your telephone line into a broadband which provide you internet, that you can use the telephone line for calls and for the internet at the same time. As I told, you can access or use both things, calling facility or internet facility. Okay. Third type is mobile internet. You all use and familiar with in a mobile internet. If you don't have a landline, or if you want to use the internet when you are out, whenever you want, or whenever we want, at that time mobile internet is used. This time mobile internet is very famous, you all use. If you don't have a landline, or if you want to use internet when you are out, you can use mobile internet for any mobile network provider. It is provided by a mobile network company like Idea, Jio, Vodafone. This whole company provide mobile internet, but it can be a slower and more expensive than a broadband through a landline. It is more expensive than broadband connection. Mobile internet is more expensive than a broadband connection. You can also get connected to the internet using a direct or a direct connection. You do not need an individual modem for your computer, and you need not dial to connect to the internet. The computer is always connected to the internet. This method is expensive and so only large organizations. If you want to directly connect it with a computer, computer, but it is expensive, and so that most large industry or large organization only use this kind of facility. Mainly this three type it is used for getting a network connection or internet, for getting a internet. एंड लास्ट में जो बॉक्स में आपको दिया गया है, द स्पीड ऑफ अ मोडेम इज अ मेजर इन अ बाइट पर सेकेंड, बीपीएस, फुल फॉर्म बाइट पर सेकेंड, मार्क दिस फॉर योर एग्जाम क्वेश्चन. और केबीपीएस, केबीपीएस का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? किलोबाइट पर सेकेंड. 1 kbps इज इक्वल टू 1000 bps, बाइट पर सेकेंड. kbps मीन्स किलोबाइट पर सेकेंड और bps मीन्स बाइट पर सेकेंड. मार्क दिस 1 kbps इज इक्वल टू 1000 bps. It is useful in your exam question. So dear student, we can finish our lecture or video here. If you student have any query or doubt related our topic, then ask me freely and frankly. Okay? Thank you.